Here I've got HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and let me show you how to optimize this device, how to speed it up. So at first I just open the optimizer, I've got it on my home screen, and now let's start with cleanup. So just click on cleanup, and if you would like to remove some unnecessary files, just tap on cleanup right here. Your device will scan everything automatically, and then you will see the unnecessary files. Then let's go back. Now just go to the virus scan, and as you can see, this device is secure, but if there will be some threats, you will be able to scan your device, your tablet, and it will definitely work faster then. Now just perform the whole optimization process. To do it, just tap on optimize right here, and now just wait until it's done. Click on done. As you can see, your HUAWEI made it automatically, and this is all that we can do in optimizer. But the very useful step is to tap on this square icon where you can switch off all running apps, all the background apps. Just tap on this icon, the bin icon, and now as you can see, your phone is in optimal condition. Actually, it's for tablet. And this is it. That will be all. This is how you can speed up HUAWEI MatePad Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.